When it comes to home improvement projects, window replacement can be a significant investment. However, the right windows can increase energy efficiency, boost your home's value, and enhance its overall aesthetic appeal. For homeowners in West Jordan, Utah, finding affordable windows doesn't have to be overwhelming. With the right approach, you can strike a balance between cost, quality, and style. Here are practical steps and considerations to help you find affordable windows for your home. Understand your needs and budget before you begin shopping for new windows. Assess your specific needs. Are you replacing windows due to drafts, cracks, or energy inefficiency? Is it purely an aesthetic upgrade? Understanding what you want to achieve will guide your search and prevent unnecessary spending. Next, establish a budget. Be realistic about what you can afford while considering both immediate and long-term benefits. While more affordable options exist, you'll want to strike a balance between cost savings and quality to avoid replacing subpar windows down the road. Explore different window materials. The material of your window frames can have a significant impact on cost and performance. Here are some common window materials, along with their pros and cons for affordability. Vinyl windows. Vinyl is a popular option due to its affordability, energy efficiency, and low maintenance. Vinyl windows are durable and provide good insulation, making them a smart choice for budget-conscious homeowners. Aluminum windows. While aluminum is often less expensive up front, it may not provide the best insulation in West Jordan's varying climate. However, it is strong and lightweight, making it a practical choice for large window openings. Wood windows. Wood offers a classic look, but it can be pricier than vinyl or aluminum and requires more maintenance. However, wood windows can provide excellent insulation and curb appeal if you're willing to invest in long-term upkeep. Composite windows. Combining materials like wood and vinyl, composite windows offer the best of both worlds but can be more expensive than simpler alternatives. This may be a good choice if you want a balance of durability and aesthetic appeal. Choosing the right material based on your priorities can help you find windows that suit both your budget and your home's style. Compare local suppliers and manufacturers to get the best value for your money. Shop around. Reach out to multiple window suppliers and request quotes for your desired specifications. Consider visiting showrooms in the West Jordan area to see window samples and speak directly with experts who can explain differences in materials, designs, and price points. Local window manufacturers may offer better prices than big box retailers due to lower shipping costs and a focus on your specific climate needs. Additionally, supporting local businesses can provide a personalized buying experience and ensure that you have quick access to service and maintenance when needed. Consider energy efficiency for long-term savings. Opting for energy-efficient windows can reduce your heating and cooling costs in West Jordan's varying climate. Look for windows with features like low E-glass coatings, multiple panes, and gas-filled chambers that insulate your home and prevent heat loss or gain. Although energy-efficient windows may have a slightly higher upfront cost, the savings on your energy bills can make them a worthwhile investment over time. Look for windows with ENERGY STAR certification to ensure that you're getting efficient options that align with industry standards. Timing can impact costs. The timing of your window purchase can affect pricing. Many suppliers offer seasonal promotions or discounts on window installations, particularly during off-peak times. Consider planning your window replacement project during late fall or winter to take advantage of such offers. Look for rebates and incentives. West Jordan homeowners may be eligible for rebates or incentives for installing energy-efficient windows. Check with local utility companies or government programs to see if any financial incentives are available. These programs can reduce the overall cost of your window replacement project, making it more affordable. Prioritize essential features and stick to the basics when choosing windows. It's easy to be tempted by all the bells and whistles, such as specialty glass or high-end hardware. To keep costs down, focus on essential features that align with your needs. Simple, quality windows without too many add-ons can still provide excellent performance at a lower price. DIY or hire a pro? While DIY window installation can save money on labor costs, it's only advisable for homeowners with experience. Improperly installed windows can lead to air leaks, water damage, and poor energy efficiency. Hiring a professional for installation may have a higher upfront cost, but it often ensures a long-lasting, well-sealed fit. Conclusion: finding affordable windows for your West Jordan home doesn't mean compromising on quality. By carefully considering your needs, exploring different materials, shopping locally, and taking advantage of rebates or discounts, you can strike the right balance between cost and performance. Take the time to research and plan your purchase. You'll not only save money up front but enjoy long-term benefits that make your investment worthwhile.